On March 4th, 2025, at about 2:06 a.m., San Bernardino PD, County Fire, and AMR responded to a reported traffic collision with extrication at 3016 North Stoddard Avenue in San Bernardino. Units arrived at the scene and located a pickup truck that had crashed into a home, resulting in major damage. The driver of the pickup truck had fled the scene before first responders' arrival. It's unknown how many occupants were in the home, but no injuries were reported. San Bernardino Code Enforcement and Building Safety were requested to the scene to check the home. If you've been injured in a car accident, Pedram Law can help. Call them at 424-265-2626. Pedram Law, losing is not an option.